In this video, we're going to learn about what are conditional statements in Java. Imagine that you are at a traffic signal. If you see a green light, you go. If you see a red light, you stop. If you see yellow light, you slow down. This is exactly how conditional statements work in Java. They help programs to make decisions. Conditional statements allow Java program to make decisions based on certain conditions. Let's see what are different types of conditional statements we have in Java. First one is if else condition. So we use whenever we want to execute any code based on particular condition, that's like making a decision, then we use if else statements. The syntax is if condition execute the code if the condition is true, or else it will execute the code under the else block. Second one is else if ladder. So this we will use whenever we have multiple conditions, and the syntax goes like this. So if condition 1 is true, execute this, or else if the condition 2 is true, execute this, or else the last would be else block. The next is switch case. So this we will use whenever we have fixed multiple conditions, and the syntax is switch variable case 1 value and execute the code under it, break. Case 2 value, execute the code under it, break. If any of the case is not satisfying with the variable, then we will use the default case. So this is the syntax. Let's do some program based on this. I have opened the IntelliJ IDEA. Let's create a class. Let's say traffic light. Let's create a main method. Let's like void main. Let's understand the if else statement. So for that, we will take a simple example. Let's say a condition where if a candidate age is greater than 18, then he can cast an vote in the election. If the age is less than 18, he cannot cast an vote. So we will declare simple variable int age equal to some will give assign 20. Then the condition will check if age is greater than 18, then he can vote. Can vote. If the age is less than 18, then he cannot vote. Cannot vote. Next is else if ladder. So else if ladder is used when multiple conditions need to be checked one after the other. For example, we will take traffic light example. So for that, let me declare a string variable light equal to, I'll assign it to green initially. First is let's check the condition. If light dot equals green. So in Java, if you want to compare any two strings, we can use this equals method. Then if the light is green, then you can say go. Next is else if condition. Condition is light dot equals color is yellow. That means slow down. Last case would be else is to stop. See, so this is else if ladder. So we are checking one condition after other. So if it is not satisfied till here, we will execute the else block. Let's run this and check. So we have given light as green. The output is go. When we give right as let's say red, it should print stop. Next is switch case. So we will use switch case when we have fixed multiple choice to compare against a single variable. For example, you went to a coffee shop and you saw a coffee menu. So in that, if you select 1, that means you have ordered coffee. If you select 2, that means you have ordered tea. 3 means you have ordered juice. If none of the above means that's an invalid choice. Let's see how we can do it programmatically. So for that, let me declare a int variable called choice, and initially we'll assign it to t, it is 2, and the syntax is switch choice open close brace, inside it case 1, that means we have ordered coffee, break. So once the case is satisfied, we have to end with break, or next case 2, that means we have ordered tea. Next is case 3, that means we have ordered juice. Other than this, if we enter any other choice, that will go under default case. System dot invalid choice. So this is the code. Let's execute. See, the response is T. So this is all about if else, else if, and switch case. In the next video, we shall learn about loops.